First grade, have a seat. Okay, right now, if you have a tag or stick, come walk quietly and hand them to me. Now, first grade, I need you to walk and quietly line up. Sorry. Which line is quieter? Which line has the quietest animals? Ooh. This line may go. You may go once this person gets here. Go ahead.